Look, nobody actually enjoys ironing, right? But since we can't all walk around in wrinkled shirts, I decided to grab 5 of the most popular models to find the best steam iron for clothes. I've spent the last week testing how they glide, how much steam they actually pump out, and which ones are just hype.
Product number 1, Chi Steam Iron 13101. The first thing I noticed when I pulled this Chi iron out of the box was how much it felt like a premium hair tool. If you've ever used their flat irons, you'll recognize that titanium-infused ceramic sole plate immediately. It's got a solid weight to it that feels expensive, not flimsy. When I got to work on some heavy linen shirts, the 300 steam holes really showed off. It doesn't just puff, it actually pushes steam through the fabric. I'm a huge fan of the temperature dial because it's labeled by fabric type, so I didn't have to guess if I was about to melt my favorite polyester blend. The XL 10-foot cord is also a massive win. I didn't feel tethered to the wall or like I was fighting for more slack. It glides smoother than just about anything else I've tried, and the scratch-resistant plate means I didn't have to worry about catching on zippers. If you want something that feels like a professional tool and handles heavy-duty wrinkles without breaking a sweat, this is the one to grab. It's definitely the powerhouse of the group.
Product number 2, Black Plus Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron. Moving over to something a bit more manageable, I spent some time with this Black Plus Decker compact model. Right away, I liked how light it felt in my hand. If you struggle with wrist fatigue or just have a small pile of clothes to get through, the weight is a huge plus. The Smart Stream technology is the standout here. I noticed that even when I was moving quickly between different heat settings, I didn't get those annoying water drips that ruin a clean white shirt. The non-stick plate isn't as fancy as the ceramic ones, but for everyday cotton tees and work trousers, it did the job just fine. I also tested the spray mist on a few deep creases in some denim, and it gave just enough moisture to relax the fabric. The 360-degree pivoting cord kept it from getting tangled while I was maneuvering around sleeves. It's a 1200-watt machine, so it takes a bit longer to heat up than the big boys, but for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for students or anyone who just needs a reliable, no-frills iron for occasional use.
Product number 3, Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron. Next, I plugged in the Sunbeam Turbo. This one sits right in the middle at 1400 watts, and I found it heated up surprisingly fast. The chrome and teal look is a bit retro, but the performance is modern. The stainless steel sole plate has a very different feel than the non-stick ones. It feels a bit faster on the fabric. I used the shot of steam feature to try and get some wrinkles out of a hanging blazer, and it worked decently well for vertical steaming. It's got a 24 milliliter water tank, which is a nice size. I managed to get through about 5 shirts before I had to head back to the sink. One thing I really appreciated was the 3-way auto shutoff. I'll admit, I'm the person who walks away and then panics 10 minutes later, wondering if I left the iron on, so having that peace of mind is a big deal. It's a solid, middle-of-the-road option that gets hot quickly and stays consistent. If you're looking for a dependable workhorse that doesn't cost a fortune but still offers a powerful steam burst, this Sunbeam is a safe bet.
Product number 4, Rowenta Access Steam Cord Reel. Now, if you hate dealing with messy cords as much as I do, this Rowenta is going to be your best friend. The retractable cord is a total lifesaver. It zips right back into the base with a button press, making it so much easier to toss in a closet when you're done. The build quality here is fantastic. It's got over 350 micro holes, and you can really feel that steam diffusion they talk about. Instead of just 1 or 2 hot spots, the whole plate seems to hover on a cushion of steam. I tested this on some delicate silk and then switched over to heavy wool, and the results were impressively uniform. It packs 1725 watts of power, so it gets hot almost instantly. The pointed tip made it incredibly easy to get into those tight spots around buttons and pleats that usually give me trouble. It's a bit heavier than the compact models, but that weight actually helps press the wrinkles out so you don't have to push down as hard. This is the choice for anyone who values storage convenience and wants a high-end, German-engineered feel. Product number 5,
Hamilton Beach Durathon Iron. Finally, I spent some time with the Hamilton Beach Durathon. The name Durathon isn't just marketing. The sole plate feels incredibly rugged. They claim it's 10 times more durable than standard nonstick, and after accidentally running it over a metal button a few times, I didn't see a single scratch. What really blew me away was the steam volume. It produces a ton of it, way more than I expected for a 1500 watt iron. I used the vertical steam function on some heavy curtains that had been folded in a box, and it knocked the creases out while they were still hanging. Like the Rowenta, this one also has a retractable cord, though it's 8 feet long, which gives you a bit more reach. The handle has a nice textured grip that feels secure, even if your hands are a bit sweaty. It's a bit of a do-it-all tool. If you're someone who irons everything from delicate blouses to heavy drapes, and you want something that's built like a tank, this is the one. It's versatile, tough, and the retractable cord keeps things tidy.